What's up, guys? So back with another video. I'm continuing my Galaxy S10, S10 Plus coverage here. We got a battery case from the only company that I actually do trust with battery cases these days. This is ZeroLemon. I did a comparison with the XS Max case plus theirs, and I think theirs wins mainly because of price. I'm gonna post up here. This one's a 10,000 milliamp, so it's quite big. I'm gonna put that up there first. The cost is 59 bucks. I did buy it myself. Everything in here is gonna be from me talking about it and what I think about it. I've not used it. I've been kind of busy. I've been using this case from Encased. It's actually a very good case for this phone. It gives you a good lip. And that's the tempered glass from Whitestone sitting right there. Anyway, so let's take a look at this. We got some minimal packaging there. See if you can QR code that if you want, or scan that, however you want to put it. Their packaging is more or less, pretty simplistic. They want you to give them a good review if there's anything wrong. I know this company will 100% back their product. I've dealt with them in the past. Anything goes wrong, you just hit them up, and boom, they'll send you out. Everything usually, if you've ever ordered from them, comes in a box like this. Very simple. I think they put most of their work into the actual cases versus their packaging, which in my mind is fine with that. Comes with a little ZeroLemon defense, 100% promise to you, basically telling you about your warranty and whatnot. It's more or less pretty much lifetime, give or take. Comes with an instruction manual. Pluck that, file that to the side. We got a free 12-month warranty, but just hit them up and they'll send you whatever you want. There's a giveaway here we can do. All right, let's check out the actual case. Like I said, never opened this up. First time checking it out. And yeah, that's pretty damn beefy. Being honest here. All right, so we got USB-C. Good, but obviously that needs to be there. Headphone jack, and that's going to be where your sound is going to come out of for your speaker. Cutout, and there's USB-C down here. You only need to use that port to charge the phone. I'm going to assume just by looking at it, but I do have a wireless charger to play with. I really don't think it's going to work, but all right. So first things first, let's pop it out of this case. And this is to show you that Whitestone glass does work with this case. Again, I didn't test it, but I don't assume. So what you do is you peel, just like all the other ones, you peel that back, you slap the phone in, and you slide it down. And that's it. Now, some people might give you crap about this case and whatnot, but this is meant if like you go on a trade show or you're going on a long 30-hour flight where you can't plug your phone in. This is going to save your butt. I mean, I've used it on my iPhone and it saved my butt a few times. To make it work, as you can see right now, nothing's charging, doesn't say anything. Let's see if we got some juice. You're going to press back here. It says we got 3 bars. You probably heard that beep. And charging. 13 minutes until fully charged. Now, what you can do is the same thing like I did on the iPhone. You compare this to the Max. Just leave this always on, and you'll have a full 100% charge for however it goes. That's the way I personally do it. Other people use it more like a battery bank. So when they get low, they hit that juice button, they juice it up. Now, you can do whatever you like. Honestly, I don't think either way hurts it because you can't overcharge phones these days. They have protections against that. So it more or less stops. But as you can see, it does work with the Whitestone dome glass. There is no problem. There's not much of a lip. I mean, this case really isn't for drop protection. This is meant to get you through a long haul. And, as I said, for fun, we'll try it. Shout out to Tudia for this power bank. Very cool. We can give it a shot. I seriously doubt it's going to work, but let's turn off the charge for now. Again, you just have to turn it around, hit the button, and not charging anymore, as you can see. And no wireless charging. I didn't expect there to be. Alright guys, if you like this video, please do leave me a thumbs up. I do, like I say in every video, I do the best that I can with what I have. And, hopefully this is helpful to somebody out there. So drop a thumbs up, drop some stuff down in the comments, and have a great one. Alright, laters, peace.